I'm going to unbox this electronic vehicle charger. It's portable, both indoor and outdoor, and I picked it up from a company called NEMA. I have an electric vehicle on the way and wanted to add some options since I do spend a lot of time on the road for safety purposes. Always good to have a backup charger in your vehicle. So I looked around Amazon, saw this one, liked the specs, and decided to give it a try. So right off the bat, you can tell it does have a carrying case, and this is pretty beefy, pretty heavy, good construction right from the unboxing. Certainly doesn't feel cheap. So inside the box, we do have the case, as I mentioned, just relatively standard. And then you have your nozzle. These are all configured for US vehicles. From there, you have your cable, very beefy. You have a mounting bracket, manual with mounting screws and anchors. And you also have your mount here for this housing that you could, once again, mount it or configure it whatever way works best for you. This is 32 amp, 240 volt. The manufacturer does claim that it works with all EV makes and models. Once this is hooked up, it'll also have an LED light console here to give you various readings. And keep in mind that this does come with an app, and you could use that app to track certain activity, like to schedule your charge times, monitor your electricity usage, and see the charge status in real time. So that'll definitely come in handy. Good option. The cable is beefy, 25 feet, military spec, definitely good quality. This charger is IP65 waterproof, and it does come with a 3-year warranty. So bottom line, if you are in the market for a portable indoor-outdoor EV charger for your vehicle, definitely take a look at this one by NEMA.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.